This YouTube channel makes me $1,000 every single month. And yes, I started it from absolute scratch just 2 months ago, creating Stickman videos using only free AI tools. I had 0 subscribers and no design skills, yet in just 60 days, this channel landed a $1,000 a month sponsorship. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I set this up so you can copy it too. Without wasting time, let's jump in. First, open your browser, then search for Adobe Animation Express and sign up for a free account using your Google account, then log in. Then open another new tab, then search for LM Arena AI, and also register for a free account using a Google account. From there, open another tab, then go to TikTok.com, then search for viral stand-up comedy, then find any video which has gone viral. I will show you how to convert this video into a video like this for free by using Adobe Express and LM Arena AI. Watch this.
A white guy can handle a breakup. If a girl leaves him, he goes and he gets some counseling, right? He gets some therapy. He challenges himself. He gets empowered, if you will. A black guy, he has this chick leave him. He just puts on some gangster rap. Bitch, gotta go, fuck you, hope. You know? Latinos, we have no shame. If a chick leaves us, we'll go to the mother's house. Señora, dígale que la quiero.
Now, before I show you the strategy, let me prove this actually works. This is the exact Stickman channel created using this method. Right now, the channel has over 83,000 followers and more than 628,000 likes. And the content is literally just simple Stickman comedy videos. Some of these videos are getting thousands of views, even though the animations are extremely basic. And most of the views come from Tier 1 countries. So if you think you need expensive equipment, a big team, or some special location, you don't. So no matter where you are, this method will work for you. I will show you how to create a channel like this, which will target a USA audience. Also how to create videos like these for free, which will go viral. So now back to stand-up comedy videos on TikTok. Then click on share and copy the video link. From there, open a new tab, then search for TikTok Video Downloader and click on MP3 download. Then paste the video link and hit on download to download the video audio. From there, back to LM Arena AI, then choose image generation and paste this prompt. All materials used in this video, including prompts, you will find in the PDF attached in the video description below. LM Arena will create an amazing background for you. If you want to customize it, you can just give it a prompt. So download the image, then back to Adobe Animation Express. Then click on Create Now. And on Character, choose any character you like. In my videos, I use this character. Then go to Background, click on Upload Image, and upload your download background image. Then resize your Stickman image to fit on the background. Then at the button, click on Browser to upload your download audio from TikTok. Then your video will be generated automatically. Wait for some moment, then your video will be ready. Now click on Download it. Now you need to edit it a little, so to add a caption, which will grab attention. To do so, go to CapCut. If you don't have it, download it first, then open it and upload your video. Then at the top, go to the caption. Then choose the templates. You have to choose a free one without diamond icon and which show one word only. So I will choose it, then click on Auto Generation, and your caption will be generated automatically. And from there you can preview it. If everything is okay, click on Export, and your video will be exported to your device. Now let's create a YouTube channel which will target US traffic. Now go to YouTube, then click on the account icon and click on the Create Channel. Now to get US optimized channel details back to your browser, then go to ChatGPT and get it this prompt. I want to create a stand-up comedy short video channel for a Stickman, so I need to propose channel name, default channel description, title, keywords, and default channel tags that will target US traffic. Then you will get all the information, so just copy and paste to your channel. To add default channel setting, go to your channel, then setting, then upload default. Add a default title, description, and tags. This will help YouTube to recommend your content quickly, since each time you upload a video, the same description and tags appear. So this trick of setting default upload helps small creators to go viral even with few videos. So now you have added your default title, description, and tags. Meanwhile, you have added a channel keywords and description. Then the next step is to add a channel banner and profile photo on the banner. Just tell ChatGPT to create a banner image first. Once done, Tell it to create a profile photo, upload it to your channel, and boom, you are ready to upload your video. And with these settings, they will go viral. Now, to upload your video first, go to your default video title given by ChatGPT, copy it, then go to your video exported from CapCut, rename the video name, and paste the title of the video. This also helps to trigger the YouTube algorithm to identify what is your video about, so they will recommend it more to the specific audience. You must do this for all of your videos that you will upload. So once renamed back on YouTube, click on Create, then upload the video here. You will see the title and description, and tags will be added automatically so you don't need to write it again. So each time you upload a video, you just make a simple twist to your title and then publish it. So here I will choose this option, no, it's not made for kids, and then other options I left as it is. The important section is on upload time. You have to make sure that the video is uploaded starting from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. US time. Since your targeted audience is from the US, you can ask ChatGPT to recommend the best time to publish your video. But being generated from 5 p.m. is the best. If you publish at midnight in the USA, don't expect to get views in your video, so don't mess up on it. Now use the same idea to upload it on TikTok, since I have started to go viral on TikTok too. The same video has got 800 views. You can add it on Facebook and Instagram if you're culpable to manage all of them, but YouTube is the best. So create at least 2 to 4 shorts a day. I'm busy. I can manage only 1 short after 2 days. But if you have enough time, at least 2 short a day will make you go viral quickly. Consistency is the key to success. After the channel started going viral and I gathered enough data for the algorithm to understand my audience, I made an important decision. I shifted the channel from just a comedy Stickman channel into a smart side hustle channel, and I started creating longer videos. And something interesting happened. My 4th long-form video went viral and reached over 56,000 views in just 2 months. That single video helped me land a $1,000 per month sponsorship along with several smaller brand deals. And that's how my earnings really started, all from a simple Stickman channel created using free AI tools. If you want a second part where I show you exactly how I shifted this channel into the making money online niche and how I create long-form AI content for free, type next video in the comment below. And if you want to see how I made $9,597 in 30 days with an AI PDF side hustle, click the video showing on your screen right now. Start your Stickman channel today, and you can still get monetized without long-form content, though long-form content attracts more brands for sponsorship than short video only. If you stuck anywhere, you may ask me in the comment below and I will reply one by one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.